everybody, it's Michelle, and I've got another cute little jewelry project for you guys today. You guys might remember my wreath pendant that I did at Christmas time, and I was just so proud of this little wreath. I just loved it. And one of the things I loved most about it was how we formed the bow at the top using heart beads and then a little seed bead in the middle for the knot in the bow, and I thought that was so cute. So I wanted to reuse that idea. You guys know when I find a new idea, I like to use it in as many ways as I can think of. And so today I thought we would make a bow tie necklace. I thought that would be really cute with Valentine's Day coming up, but it would be really cute for any time of the year. And this one is going to be a lot easier to work with. We had a lot of trouble fitting a lot of different beads through the way that we did the bow on the Christmas wreath, but this one is going to be much easier. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to put that on the chain when we get that completed. So we've got 2 heart-shaped beads here, and I believe those were 8 millimeters in size. Let me double check that to make sure. Yes, those are 8 millimeters. So 2 8-millimeter heart beads and 1 number 6 seed bead. And I did look through those and find one that's kind of flat. I didn't want a really long one. And these heart beads I actually purchased with an entirely different project in mind. So you'll probably be seeing these again later on in the year when I do that. And over here I've got another option for you. If you don't have heart beads, you can also make a bow tie with triangular shaped beads. And just the same way, you put that with the pointed ends toward each other and the seed bead in between. And I think that is really, really cute too. So we'll make both of these and then decide which one that we want to put on our necklace. And the triangular shaped beads are about 9 millimeters, so very similar in size there. And for each bow tie, I've got a 2-inch eye pin, and we just put that on with the open end toward the eye. Then we put on our number 6 seed bead for the knot in the center, and then our other heart bead with the pointed end toward the other heart bead. And there's your little bow tie. I think that is so cute. And then I'm going to hold everything firmly together and bend my head pin forward at about a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to cut that down to about 1/4 of an inch. And then roll it into a loop with my round nose pliers. Making sure that that loop completely closes. And I want to make sure that my loops are facing in the same direction. So I'm going to take 2 pairs of my flat nose pliers and just twist, holding those loops flat until I know that they are in the same direction. And there's our first little bow tie. I think it's adorable. And now for our bow tie with the triangle beads. It goes the exact same way. Just put your first triangle bead on with the pointed end going inward. And then your number 6 seed bead. Your other triangle bead pointing the opposite way so that it's toward each other. And there's your little bow tie. I just think these are so cute with that little rhinestone accent and the silver pattern on there. Really cute. So again, we bend it over. And I'm going to cut it down to about 1/4 of an inch. and roll that into a loop with my round nose pliers. And again, I'm going to take my flat nose pliers or my chain nose and make sure that those loops are going in the same direction. Make sure my loop is closed all the way. I think that came open on me just a little bit. Okay. And there's our second bow tie. And either one of these would be absolutely adorable for a bow tie necklace. So I think I want to use this one because it's mostly black. And I like the idea of the formal black bow tie. I think that's really cute. So now we're going to put that on our necklace. And I just have a necklace here that I put together. I just cut a 16-inch piece of chain and I attached a lobster clasp to one end and a large jump ring to the other to clasp that too. And that gave me about 16.5 inches overall. And I thought for the bow tie necklace, I did want a fairly short chain, almost choker length, so that that bow tie is up close to your neck the way you would wear a bow tie. I thought that would be really cute. So now what I'm going to do is fold that straight in half to find that very center loop. And when I find that loop, I'm going to clip it off. And just take out that broken loop that we just cut. Kind of wants to stay in there. There we go. And just lay that aside. We're not going to need that. So then our chain is open in the middle. And we'll just make a couple of jump rings. You know, actually I don't think I'll make jump rings at all. I think I will open up the loops on the end of our eye pin and just attach that straight into the links of our chain. We'll see how that works. And close it up. And then I'm going to open up this side. And put that link of our chain right onto that. And close that one back. And I think I may need my round nose pliers to get that adjusted back just right. Just make sure that they're both closed completely. And then we'll go in one last time and make sure that they're turned in the same direction. And your beads are going to spin around a little bit, but that's okay because once that's on, it will lay flat. So there is your black bow tie necklace. I think this is so cute. sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. If you make a bow tie necklace or any other crafts you've seen in my videos, or new crafts of your own, anything that you want to share, we would love to see it in our Facebook group. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.